Do you want headlights like these? I got a solution for you.
This is the Austin Block channel.
In order to fix a headlight like this, that's foggy, you can visibly see some scratches, maybe a little spotty, you only need a couple cheap things. There's one key ingredient to having your headlights look this good. Mother's magnesium and aluminum polish. This costs about $5 on Amazon. But you're going to need something to apply it with. So I have an ordinary drill with an adapter and a buffing pad, so no expensive buffing equipment necessary. I got that pad and these pads for $10. That means $15 to do your headlights. So to get started, we're just going to apply this to our foggy headlight and just get it all over. And we don't need too much, but try and have it fairly evenly distributed. We're just going to take a little bit more and apply it to our pad. We just don't want to start off dry. That's the key. We've got our drill set in reverse so that the thing won't fly off, and we're just going to get started. I've got this on the lower speed setting. Now, you're either going to be done when it comes out clear, or when you've been going for a while and are starting to wonder why nothing's happened. In this case, it still looks cloudy. We're going to move on by taking a paper towel wet with water and wiping it off. Then, we're going to take a dry microfiber cloth. The second to last thing you have to do is clean off the compound surrounding your headlight. In this case, I'll just hose it down and clean it off with a microfiber cloth. The last thing we're going to do to our headlights is take some headlight lens sealer, of which you can use any brand product. Apply it to our microfiber cloth and apply it to the headlight. What this is going to do is seal the plastic so that UV light and the sun isn't going to do this again, and it'll hopefully keep our headlight clear for a long time.